Hello. No, let me see. My name is Bryan Grace, and I am the new Product Innovation Manager here at Boss Audio. We're going to do a little bit of unboxing for you guys today on a new product of ours, the UTV4B. It's a portable speaker system that's Bluetooth that you can attach to your UTV or ATV and even put it outside and listen to it recreationally. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is how you guys, when you order it, you'll get it. Comes in a nice new packaging. All new branding from us here at Boss Audio. The icons you'll identify. The green would be a powersports item. Pull this out. Packaged very well. You get an instruction booklet. We'll go through that in a second. Then we'll get the unit itself. We'll put this aside. So you get two 4-inch drivers, 350 watts, Bluetooth ready. It's water resistant so it can handle the elements. So inside you're going to find a separate package that'll give you 2 straps. These are very important. These are very long zip ties that you're going to use for installation when you're ready to put it on your vehicle. You have a 3.5 cable that you can hook up directly, so you have direct connect to the source unit. You have your, if you want to directly connect to a battery source, you have positive ground, and then you have your cigarette lighter adapter, which makes this super plug and play. When we talk plug and play, it's like really as plug and play as it gets. So now that it's plugged in, you just put it in the cigarette light adapter like Amy just did, and you're ready to go. So you'll pull out your device like so. Yeah, you'll hear that chime. That means you're connected. And that's pretty much it. Just that simple. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it up really loud so you guys can hear it. So as you see, when you're out on the trails, this thing is super loud, super clear. For the bang for the buck, I think it's one of the best values on the market. So if you don't want to use Bluetooth and you want to use a 3.5 connector, direct connect, you just use this provided 3.5 cable, male to male. All you'll do is you will undo this rubber waterproof flap, plug this in, then plug into your device and you're directly connected. As you hear, it wants to find the direct connection. So let's get into installation real quick. So now you have this awesome device, you're connected to it Bluetooth wise. You plugged it into your power source on your UTV or ATV. So then you're gonna wanna take these zip ties, these 2 zip ties. They're like huge industrial zip ties, and this is gonna really come in handy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this like that, and as you bring this up to save your arms, you're gonna, if you're doing a undermount for a roll cage, you're gonna zip tie this up to hold it in place. So once you have those 2 held in place, so now you have this underneath your roll cage, like so, and it's being held up by both of the zip ties, so you can free up your hands. So now I'm able to take our 2 straps that we provide, and you'll just take these simply, pull them around. You'll go around the roll cage again, and then you will tighten these bad boys up. It has Velcro that will hold it in place. And then you'll cut the zip ties off. That's it. Now if you're doing a rack mount, you don't need the zip ties. You just use the straps, put it through the rack, put it through the tube, and you're off and running. It's a pretty simple installation, truly 100% plug and play. If you got a cigarette lighter adapter, you're playing music. And that's about it. That's the new UTV4B from Boss Audio. This is a conversation, so why don't you guys give us some of your comments below. Tell us what you think about our stuff. Give us some of your feedback. We always love to hear that because we want to grow with you guys, and your input's very important to us. Do that. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. Give us like 1,000 likes. We love that. We'll see you guys on the trails.